Ukrainian forces continue to consolidate their positions on higher ground in Lysychansk, days after Putin's troops seized control of its twin city Severodonetsk, which lies across the Seversky Donets River, said the Britain's Ministry of Defense in its daily assessment of the war in Ukraine. But the scale of the onslaught by Vladimir Putin's forces in Ukraine amid a fierce ongoing fight for a city in the eastern Donbas region is unsustainable in the long term, British defense officials added. Ukrainian troops also continue to disrupt Russian command and control with successful strikes deep behind Russian lines. The assessment said that the unusually intense waves of strikes by long-range Soviet-era missiles, which were designed to make strategic strikes, were being expended in large numbers for tactical advantage. It said that despite Russia fielding the core elements of 6 different armies, they achieved only tactical success at Severodonetsk, and that the Russian armed forces are increasingly hollowed out. This is why Putin's forces are accepting a level of degraded combat effectiveness, which is probably unsustainable in the long term. The Kremlin continues to present its own version of the Ukraine war, suggesting that a missile strike on a shopping center in Kremenchuk in which at least 18 people died was a false flag attack. Russia's deputy permanent representative to the UN Dmitry Polyansky tweeted that the attack was a provocation and referred to Bucha, the city where Russian troops were accused of carrying out a massacre which Moscow says was staged. Russia has repeatedly denied it targets civilian infrastructure, although evidence shows shopping malls, theaters, hospitals, kindergartens and apartment buildings have been hit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comments section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.